Hi, I'm Tom with Auto Air & More in Las Vegas. Are you looking for a new automotive shop or someone that'll treat you like family? We are a full-service automotive shop and we stock a line of parts for the do-it-yourselfer or the dealer specialized in air conditioning. Whether you need brakes, a tune-up, regular maintenance, belts, hoses, whatever it might be, stop by, visit our friendly people, and let us take care of your automotive needs. Give us a call at 702-362-2722 or visit us online at autoairandmore.com. That's autoair and A&D spelled out more.com. Let us get to know you and your vehicle, and we'll take care of your needs. I guarantee it.